G'day guys, I'm going to go through those 4 volume measurement problems from Monday. You notice I've made a mistake on one of them. So I've got the 4 answers here and I'm just going to take you through the working. So I noticed that this is some sort of hexagonal prism, I guess, because it's got 6 sides and then it has a depth to it. So what I want to do is I want to calculate the area of this. So let's go face area. Well, what I noticed was that this was a 4x4 square. So if I pulled this out to here, that's a 4x4 square. And then I'm taking away a 2x2 square. Because these sides are all the same length, that means they must be 2, because that's 2 and 2 makes you 4. 2 and your 2 makes 4. So face area is a 4x4, take away a 2x2, so that's 16 minus 4 is 12, and so volume is just 12 times its depth, 36, and I've done this all in centimeters, so that's centimeters cubed. Alright, next one. I know this is a triangular prism, so it has a height of 0.6. So let's get the face area. So face area, and that's going to be half the base. I'm going to put this all into meters. 0.8 times the height, 0.6. And so what do I get there? 0.5 times 0.8 times 0.6. And we get 0.24. Then I multiply that by the 3 meters. So volume 0.24 multiplied by 3. And we get 0.72. And notice I've done all in meters. So it's meters cubed. Excellent. Okay. This one you notice is it's drawn pretty poorly at this end, but let's work from this. That is a half circle, so the face area is going to be a half times pi times r squared. So it's a half because I've got half a circle. And so if I put that in my calculator, 0.5 times pi times 16, 25.13. And so volume is 25.13 times 12, times that by 12, got 301.6 centimeters cubed, because it's volume. Anything around 301 I'd be pretty stoked with. Alright, this is a little bit of a tricky one. It is a trapezoid prism. So here we have a trapezium. Now it doesn't look like it immediately. I saw a lot of us do cut this down into a rectangle and a triangle. But let's get this face area. So face area is add the 2 parallel sides. So I'm going to do this all in meters. 1 plus 2.4. Divide that by 2 and then times by the height. Okay, so that's 3.4 over 2 times by a height of 1.6, 2.72. Notice I've done this all in meters, so volume, that's 2.72 times 0.5, 1.36, 1.36 meters cubed. So that was me getting the face area and times by the depth of half a meter. And so it makes sense that this is roughly just more than a meter cubed. Nice.